Don Rush here, West Coast Classic Cougar. Happy New Year. It's 2026. Hey, a lot of you, I see this all the time, come over here, Ian, and do a short scan over this, have bends in the top of your center grille. And you don't know what to do. I mean, you can't repaint your car. You don't want to take this out and just repaint this. But believe it or not, this is a super easy fix. You don't have to buy an expensive $100 grade A one from West Coast Classic Cougar. I'm gonna show you how to fix this easy. See, metal has a memory. It actually wants to go back. And as you know, our Mercury Cougars, have just a little bit of a bumper here. So that kind of protects the bottom. And you hit a shopping cart, whatever, this is what gets it. And I think more than 50% of them out in my wrecking yard look like this. So this is what I do. I just get a dowel of wood, this is a hammer here, and I put it right here. And less is better. I like to go slow, and I'm not gonna hit here. I'm gonna use this edge here because it has strength. That's a rubber mallet. And come get close to here while I tap on this. I'm just gonna, look how easy that just went back into place. Just that easy. Same with this side. And if this had really nice paint, this rubber hammer is not gonna hurt it. What I do is sometimes take it on the wire wheel or grinder or whatever, disc grinder, and get fresh rubber, nice sticky fresh rubber with no contaminants into it. You can cover your thing in painter's tape along here. And here we go again. Look at that, it just wants to pop right back into place. So do another one just to show you. Look how bad that looks. So your chrome takes the hit and just pushes that metal in. And your body man says, oh, go get another one. I can't do body work there. Well, he's just in a hurry and he doesn't have the inside track like you have. There we go. You can hardly tell any damage. And this is not real thick gauge metal, so this happens easy. Here's another one. Look at that, it looks like crap. You'd think, throw that away. No, we're not gonna throw that away. Now, this is a little tougher one. Look down there. You got this bracket that's in the way. So you got a bigger opening here, smaller opening here. So you'll have to get creative, put some towels on your bench, get in there with a wooden dowel, dink, 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 and go slow. Like I say, less is better. You don't want to overdo it. Once it pooches out, then you're really screwed. So anyway, I hope that helps you dial in your car just that much better. And again, Happy New Year.